A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine and you are safe at your home. As you all know, I am your English teacher Priyanka, and in today's class we are continuing chapter number 14, the future tense. All right, future tense we are studying today. In the previous class, I told you that for telling about the future tense, we make use of will and shall. And the future tense is used to talk about actions that are expected to make place in the future. Alright? Will and shall express or they tell us about the future tense. Now, based on this concept, we had done two exercises, exercise number A and exercise number B. Yes, students, we had done this? Yes, but now, today we will be doing exercise number C. Today we will be doing exercise number C. Alright, so all of you take out page number 60, exercise number C, chapter number 14, future tense. We all will do this exercise. We will have a discussion and then we will do the exercise. Rewrite the following sentences in the future tense. Romit went to watch a movie. Now I have to write this sentence in future tense. So how will I write it? Okay, you all start writing with me. Romit will go to watch a movie. Alright, the sentence was Romit went to watch a movie. And how we wrote this sentence in future tense? Romit will go. Went is the past tense of go. And in future, I will write will go to watch a movie. Okay, students? All of you write it down. Now the second is he went to the theater with his parents. He went to the theater with his parents. Now we have to write this sentence in future tense. So how we will write? He will go to the theater. He will go to the theater with his parents. Alright, what we will write? He will go to the theater with his parents. This sentence we have written in future tense. Next is the movie began at 7 p.m. The movie will begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin at 7 p.m. Again, I have made use of will plus begin. Began here is the past tense of begin, but we don't have to write the past tense here. We will simply write will plus base form of verb. The movie will begin at 7 p.m. This sentence is now in future tense. Fourth is they bought popcorn in the interval. So how you will write it in future tense? They will buy popcorn. They will buy popcorn in the interval. Yes, what I have written? They will buy, B-U-Y, buy popcorn in the interval. Now I have written this sentence in future tense. Here bought is the past tense of buy. So what I have you for making the future tense sentence, what I have used? I have used will plus the base form of verb. All right. Next is Rohit also ate a burger. Now start writing it in the future tense. It is Rohit will also eat a burger. All right. Now this ate is used. This is the past tense of eat. But we don't have to use the past tense. We have to make the sentence in future tense. So we will write Rohit will also eat a burger. All right, students. Come to the sixth one. After the movie, they went for a walk. Now start writing in the future tense. Now you tell me, what will be the sentence in future tense? It will be after the movie, they will go for a walk. After the movie, they will go for a walk. Went here is the past tense of go. But for making the sentence in future tense, we will use will plus the base form of verb. Go here is the base form of verb. So how I converted this sentence into future tense? I simply wrote after the movie, comma, they will go for a walk. All right. Come to the seventh one. They came back at 11 p.m. Came here is in the past tense and I have to write the sentence in future tense. So what will I write? They will come back at 11 p.m. I hope you all are writing with me, right? You all have to complete this exercise number C in your book in neat and clean handwriting. Now see here, the sentence was they came back at 11 p.m. So how we will change the sentence in future tense? We will use will plus the base form of the verb. They will come back at 11 p.m. Alright, this is the way we are going to change this sentence in the future tense. Now we have the last one. Then they went to sleep. So how we will change it? Then they will go to sleep. Went is, yes, it is in the past tense. But we don't have to use past tense. We simply have to use will plus base form of verb. So go is the base form of verb and the past tense of go is went. So how we will convert this sentence into future tense? We will write then they will go to sleep. Then they will go to sleep. Now I have converted every sentence in the future tense. Alright, now I have completed every sentence in the future tense. Let us revise these sentences once again. Rohit will go to watch a movie. He will go to the theater with his parents. The movie will begin at 7 p.m. They will buy popcorn in the interval. Rohit will also eat a burger. After the movie, they will go for a walk. They will come back at 11 p.m. Then they will go to sleep. Now students, we have completed exercise number C You all have to complete this exercise in your book, all right? And your handwriting should be beautiful so that it should be legible, so that I can read it, that what you have written. I hope that all of you will complete the exercise. I will also share the PDF with you so that you all can complete it. Thank you so much, class.